Welcome to Scodeen Global. This is one of the sophisticated and intelligent syllabus for Integrated Enterprise Business Analyst (IEBA). This Business Analyst syllabus is designed with high intelligence, sophisticated and hybrid mechanism. Business analysis is a combination of gaining insight from data using specific techniques, and performing tasks to identify the needs of a business, then, recommending changes and providing solutions that produce value for the stakeholders. Do you know it is the gateway? It acts as a bridge between the client and technical team. Obviously it is a very high magnitude zone in software industry. It is categorized into two parts. One is technical and second one is functional. The program highlights will be a decision-oriented program of analysis, hands-on experience with real-life case studies, live classes by highly experienced faculties, integrated personality development program, certificate of completion. The high-level structure will be requirement documents design, process engineering, flowchart engineering, tools mechanism, code engineering, review analysis, conflict resolution, workflow analysis, skills and market demand tools will be in folder. Let's know about the program owner. He worked as project director and has worked with giants like British Telecom, Marconi, Cisco International, Juniper Networks, AT&T, American Express, MasterCard, Nokia, Home Depot, Elmos Semiconductors, Sienna International, Tyco Evotum. Let's understand the high-level module structure. Module 1. IT Industry Fundamentals for Business Analysts. Module 2. Business Analysis Essentials. Module 3. Business Process Analysis. Module 4. Requirements Process, the core of business analysis activity. Module 5. Stakeholder Analysis and Management. Module 6. UML Unified Modeling Language for the Business Analyst. Module 7. Microsoft Visio for the Business Analyst. Module 8. Business Process Model and Notation. Module 9. Visagi Business Process Modeler. Module 10. Business Analysis Techniques. Module 11. Requirements Elicitation, Collaboration and Techniques. Module 12. Requirements Analysis. Module 13. Wireframes and Prototypes. Module 14. Requirements Documentation, BRD, FRD, SRS Preparation. Module 15. Agile Business Analysis. Module 16. SQL and Database Concepts for the IT Business Analyst. Module 17. Software Test Management and User Acceptance Testing for the IT Business Analyst. Let's explore the types of projects. Data Analysis and Visualization Projects. SWOT Analysis Projects. Dashboard Development Projects. Market Research and Analysis Projects. Business Impact Assessment. Competitive Analysis. ROI Analysis. Price Optimization Project. Program Details and Admission Process. Post-course completion support, learning path. We provide best placement support in the industry. These are a few offer letters of our students who have got recently placed in top multinational companies with high package. Should you have any questions, feel free to contact us by email or call. Thank you very much.